Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to delete your Microsoft Teams account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to delete your Microsoft Teams account, if you are linked to Office 365, then you'll need to go to Admin Center of Office 365. Sign into your Microsoft account. Navigate through the billing of your Office 365 and then you can easily cancel the subscription from there. If you want to delete a free personal team account not connected to any kind of an organization or Office 365, then you can easily go to a web browser and in the search box type in account.microsoft.com and press the enter. If prompted, log into your account and once you do that, you'll end up in this page. Go ahead and delete your Microsoft account if you want to get rid of Microsoft Teams. So from your security page, go and click on your info at the top left. Scroll all the way down and under help with Microsoft account, choose how to close your account. Make sure that your account is ready to close, go through the information first, and then, just in case you change your mind, choose the days before Microsoft permanently closes your account. You can choose between 60 to 30 days, and during this time, the account is marked for closure but still exists. If you want to reopen your account during this time interval, you'll need to prove your identity using your current account security info, that is your email and your password, and you'll be able to reopen your account again. After you're done going through the information, click next and check all the boxes in this page. And of course, go through it once before taking any kind of an action. Confirm that you understand that after this 60 days recoverable period, you will permanently lose access to the account, and select a reason why you are trying to leave, and finally click Mark Account for Closure. Soon after you do that, your Microsoft account will be marked for deletion. In order to get rid of your Microsoft Teams account, you'll need to go ahead and delete your Microsoft account altogether. But if you want to keep your Microsoft account but get rid of the Microsoft Teams account, then what you can do instead is to simply delete the application from your device and forget that you ever created an account on Microsoft Teams. That is how you can get rid of Microsoft Teams. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.